In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a profile picture in Jira. Having a clear profile photo makes it easier for your teammates to recognize you, and it helps personalize your workspace, especially when you're collaborating across multiple projects and boards. First, open Jira in your browser and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on any Jira page, look towards the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see a small circle or avatar icon which represents your current profile. This might look like your initials or a generic silhouette if you haven't set a picture yet. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. After you click it, a small drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, choose the option labeled Profile. This will take you to your personal profile page within Jira, where you can see basic information about your account. This step is important because Jira uses a centralized profile for your identity across all Atlassian products, and we need to get to the place where those settings are managed. On your profile page, look for a link or button that says Manage Your Account. This is usually located near your name or somewhere in the main profile section. Click on Manage Your Account. When you do this, Jira will redirect you to the Atlassian account management page. Don't worry if the URL or layout looks slightly different from Jira itself. This is normal because Atlassian uses a shared account system for all their tools. Once you're on the account management page, you should see a section related to your profile and visibility. In this area, look for your current profile icon again, which might still show initials or a placeholder image. Click directly on that profile icon. This is where you'll be able to upload or change your picture. After clicking the icon, you'll typically be prompted to upload an image from your computer or device. Choose a clear, professional-looking photo if this is for work, preferably with good lighting and your face centered. Follow the on-screen prompts to upload the file. You may have options to crop or adjust the image so it fits nicely in the circular frame. When you're done, confirm or save your changes. Your new profile picture will now appear in Jira wherever your avatar is shown, such as issue comments, boards, and notifications. And that's all you need to add a profile picture in Jira.